Hello everyone, it's ELLE KOS Glam. Thank you so much for making it back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about hair care and skincare. This is my routine. Here's my brush. This is my gift that my mother gave me before she was laid to rest, the last gift. This is oil-free acne wash by Neutrogena. It has salicylic acid inside of it. Salicylic acid helps correct the abnormal shedding of cells. For milder acne, salicylic acid helps unclog my pores to resolve and prevent lesions and scars. I suffered from a lot of acne scars when I was younger, and I'm still having my skin treated for that. But when it's used, it's just like benzoyl peroxide. It stops when you stop using it. So I have to keep using it, and it unclogs your pores, and hopefully the acne will not return, but I'm still working on it. I love the feeling that it has after you wash your face. Next, I'm going to move on to my charcoal and aloe mask. This is one of my favorite masks, and I love to apply this mask when I'm doing my hair because I like to let it sit and dry. And as a reminder, when you're applying this mask, it's very aggressive, so you don't want to get it into your eyes, you don't want to get it on your eyebrows, and you don't want to get it in your mouth or your lips. You want to keep it away, but apply it very gently because it's aggressive, and you have to be careful when you're taking it off because you can rip your eyebrows off or you can get it into your eyes, so you don't want that, just as a disclaimer. I would like to share some staple products that has been working for my hair and dealing with hair loss because of the stress of losing my mother. I lost some of my hair, so I'm still working on it, but I found that there are some products out there that's really working to help grow my hair back. Raw honey, unfiltered, it has oranges in it. Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner, it has sea kelp in it, and also mayo. Macadamia oil conditioner, I use it about once a month. My secret weapon is Jamaican black castor oil. If your goal is to have softer, shinier, smoother feeling hair, then mayonnaise may be a good choice for you. Mayonnaise does contain some healthy ingredients for your hair like lemon juice, vinegar, and soybean, which contain fatty acids and vitamins that can boost your hair metabolism and acts like a seal inside your hair shaft. It'll make your hair more moisturized, and it'll give a luster look to your hair. Castor oil is also a great carrier for your scalp. It'll protect you from folliculitis, which gives you dandruff on your scalp. It's an antibacterial and also an antifungal, which works as properties to make it beneficial for your scalp to breathe. Your scalp can risk infections if you don't take care of it. However, Jamaican black castor oil promotes circulation on your scalp. It improves hair growth and works great with the carrier oil. Raw honey is also a great emollient for your hair. It seals in moisture after you use the mayonnaise together. The combination is incredible. It will keep your hair conditioned. It reduces breakage, which often causes slower hair growth from the end to tip. From root to tip. It's a rich antioxidant that prevents damage before it even happens. Keeping your scalp and hair healthy will make your hair grow so much faster. Honey also compromises antibacterial and antiseptic qualities, working as an antifungal all in one. When I'm treating my hair and deep conditioning, I also like to use a charcoal mask on my face. I like to detox my face as well as my scalp. Activated charcoal can be used in a similar way just by spreading it all over your skin. The charcoal first draws in the bacteria and all the dirt and everything that you collected all day, and the toxins, the chemicals, the oil, and other microparticles which you cannot see, and it releases it from the surface of the skin. Then it absorbs those foreign substances, which is the dirt, the toxins, and everything else, and it carries them away when you rinse it off or peel it off as a mask. It's great. Because the charcoal mask is so potent and black and charcoal and has particles with coal, I don't like to use it on any of my linen. I like to take baby wipes and clean the remaining excess off, any parts that I can't get off, and you will be amazed once you see the difference in your skin. Okay, now on to hair care. Here's my hair the beginning of March 2018. It's a little bit brittle, but I like to keep it up in the bun. I love to wear protective styling, and I don't know what happened with my phone. I don't know why it's the little square it is. It's not a full screen, so I apologize about that. I trim my ends every 3 months, and I blow dry my hair with a cold blow dryer. Heat does not hit my hair only once a year, and that's to take a look at my hair to see how healthy my strands is. I'm very serious about growing my hair to my waist. I promised my mother I'll never cut my hair before she left here, so I want to grow it right down to my waist. And an easy protective style is a bun. I like to trim my ends, and I'm showing you how I trim it. I just take a whole length of my hair and trim it with some shears, and I bun it right up. I like to keep my hair off my shoulders, because when your hair is off your shoulders, it grows fast versus rubbing up against your shirts or causing breakage. You want to retain length, and in order to retain length, you have to keep your hair off your shoulders. You want to make sure you also eat your vitamins. I eat a lot of leafy greens. I eat a lot of dark greens. Here's my hair in September 2018. This is as of today, and I straightened it. I just wanted to see where it was at. I'm not greedy for length or anything. I'm more into health, and I'm just giving you a look at it. I want to make sure that you guys know I'm not wearing a weave and I'm just combing it through just to show you. So I also love to do protective styling. I love braid outs, and when my hair is straight, I like to wrap it. Here's my ends. I freshly trimmed them. It's hot in here. It's about 100 degrees here in Florida. And I love to wrap my hair at night, and I do not sleep without a scarf on my hair. That's another tip that I hope you can use as well. So here's my hair curly. This is when I want to wear it without a bun and I want to give it a break. I do a braid out, and this is what my curls look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just listen to below and let me know what's your favorite hair care tip of the video. Let me know what's your favorite thing to do for your hair. How long do you want to grow your hair? Live your dreams, glam your lifestyles. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye everyone.